What I've learned about parenting is that there's no perfect way to do it, and every day is a new day.
My name is Michael McIntyre.
I'm Shantea McIntyre.
And we have 4 beautiful kids.
Having 4 kids is wild. When dinner still has to be planned and I have to wrangle the kids, I'm exhausted. I really am.
Yes.
The easier we can make dinner, the better. We love breakfast for dinner because it gives us time to slow down just a little bit.
And it's just an easy tradition that we love to do. The kids love it, the parents love it.
Just getting out of the house on time is a challenge when each kid has their own personality.
Mariah is awesome.
She loves attention and loves the camera. Miley's the baby.
She just does whatever she wants to do.
Matea, she's the
she
child
is.
that you don't have to really worry about. I don't have to watch her. And Matthew is the comedian. Hey guys, come here, let's order our Denny's.
Yay, Denny!
I think the kids enjoy breakfast for dinner because it feels like we're breaking a little bit of a rule. Breakfast is a traditional morning meal, but when we have it for dinner, they're like, oh, we're doing something a little bit different tonight.
Having fun is so important in our house because there's a lot of times where we're working a lot and we have to take a step back and say, hey, you know what, let's focus more on the family right now.
So it's always crazy.
Right after school, we have multiple pickups and drop-offs, dance class, voice lessons, theater.
Yeah, and then homework, oh my goodness, and baseball, and
But
swim
you know what?
lessons.
I'm gonna blame all of that on her because she's like, what else can we add to our calendar right now? And I just roll with it. The importance of sitting down with your family for dinner is it gives us a time to just connect. When we turn the TV off and we're able to sit down and talk to one another, I just think it just brings the family unit a whole lot closer. And that's what we try to do with our kids. So.
Part of what we're trying to do is create routines and rituals so that the memories that our kids have of us are more positive than negative. Having 4 little humans that depend on you and love you and are excited to see you and interact with you and that you can share life with is just, it's so worth it.